Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. This is my first video of many. I have been curating this little YouTube channel for a while in my head and I've never really started it. So today it is the first day of me filming, the first day of creating content, and hopefully the first day of teaching you guys some amazing skills about how to make money online. 2020 really has been the year of us going more virtual, and it's time that we start adapting and innovating our lives to start moving towards a more digital world and figuring out how we can make a livelihood and an income through online methods. Behind me I have written a number of different platforms and methods of making money online, all of which I've tried and tested myself over the past 10 years. I've wasted a lot of my own money and a lot of time figuring this out, and I'm gonna make these videos as short, succinct, and efficient as possible to teach you guys exactly what I've learned over years, evenings, weekends, lunch breaks, in little short videos. A little bit about myself. I am a serial entrepreneur from London. I'm 25 years old. I've been on entrepreneurship since I was 15 when I first started my first e-commerce store. I now have multiple e-commerce stores. I have an app on the App Store. At 16 years old, I got to 6 million hits on YouTube and over 100,000 subscribers. I'm an enterprise advisor and young entrepreneur mentor, and I'm here to teach you everything that I have tried and tested over the past 10 years. Everything that I'm going to teach you is about truly identifying a problem in the market and executing it through a valuable, viable, and validated solution. How do we validate things? By spending as little money as possible to put it out into the market and to learn whether there's actually demand for it. I'm all about bootstrapping and lean startup. I've never had a lot of money to throw into businesses. Everything that I have spent is from a side hustle, a waitressing job that I've done, or my savings. Everything that I'm going to teach you is about trying, testing, experimenting, bootstrapping, and being as lean as possible. Being an entrepreneur is all about grit, hard work, perseverance, and a little bit of craziness. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited to go with you on your journey. So do comment below where you are right now, what you want to be doing, what you want to learn, and how I can help. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I'll be putting out useful videos and content as how you can make money online every single week, so don't miss out.